Hi, I am Sayyed Rashid. You are watching Ahlebad High School and Junior College YouTube channel. Welcome to my video to all students as well as viewers. Today just we are continuing our class 12 like intermediate physics. Okay. Chapter number 4, electric charges and field, and our today's topic, as you can see on the board, drive an expression for intensity of electric field at a point on the equatorial plane of electric dipole. What is it means? Just we are going to drive an expression, okay, for the intensity of electric field, okay, at point of equatorial plane. For that, what I have to do, okay, considering an electric dipole with 2 points charge like plus q and minus q separated by a distance 2a. So we are look at here, this is minus q, okay, and we have distance with and this we have like plus q with us, and this is the origin and from which these two charges are separated. Make sure this distance is very small, but diagrammatically it might have visualized like somewhat more distance, but this distance is practically very small. So a and a, it will become like 2a with us. Now next step, what we will going to do, like assuming a point on the axis at a distance of r from the center of dipole on the side of the charge. So this is a point we are assuming, okay, from the O, this is P, we are assuming from O, and the distance between O and P, what we are considering like R, isn't it? So electric field intensity on P due to the charge minus Q is given as like we can say E is equals to KQ by R square. So this Q, okay, electric field direct here, complete diagram becomes like this, okay. The direction of like electric field due to negative charge is like this, okay, this direction, and this we will going to consider as E minus Q, isn't it? And the direction of electric field due to the positive charge is like this direction, and this we will consider as E plus Q, okay. So now this E minus Q and E plus Q is an component separated by an like imaginary line, we can say, and we will consider this as vector, and it has two component like x component and y component. So here you can see here for vector we have two components with us, like if this means it will be like sine theta and if this will be like cos theta, but here this is the direction like plus direction. So here we can consider this as E, okay, plus Q sine theta, and here we will consider like E plus Q cos theta. So one more direction we are taking, we already considered two components like E plus sine theta and E plus cos theta. Now we are taking one more component like this. So what it will become like, here sine theta, here cos theta, isn't it? So it will become like E minus cos theta, and here it will be like E minus sine theta. But make sure all the student and viewers, this component like E plus sine theta and E minus like cos sine theta, both are in equal and opposite direction, and they can be cancelled each other. So we will going to just find the resultant what is resultant electric field at that point is like E is equals to E plus cos theta and plus E minus cos theta. For the resultant electric field, both are same, but just direction is opposite. So it will be E plus Q minus E minus Q is equals to, we can say it like K Q by R square, okay. Why K Q by R square? Since we have like resultant electric field K Q by R square, but R square is nothing but the distance between this P to minus Q and distance between P to plus Q. What is the distance between them? So we are considering this is an like a right angle triangle with theta here and here. From Pythagoras theorem, it will become like under root of R square plus A square. What the distance between minus Q and P become like under root of r square plus a square, and here also same, the distance between plus q and like p become under root of r square plus a square, isn't it? So we can write this resultant as k q by like under root of r square plus a square whole square. So here we can, the final step we got like k q by r square plus a square. Here e plus q sin theta comma e minus q sin theta cancelled, okay, CANCLE. So RESQLTANT, resultant electric field at point can be expressed as like E is equals to E, like we can take plus q cos theta plus E minus q cos theta, okay, but here it will become like 2E, here it will become 2E plus q cos theta. Why? Because since we can say here we can taking EQ is equals to E plus q itself. Why we are taking E minus q is equals to E plus q? Here both are same. So if I am putting like here E plus q means it will become 2E plus q, isn't it? So now we are substituting the value 2 is here as it is, plus q value we have with us like k q by r square plus a square, and what is the cos theta? Here we can find the cos theta. You can see here cos theta we have with us like adjacent by opposite, so it will become like a by under root of r square plus a square, since we can write cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. From this triangle we got, you can see here, from triangle OP we can write also, I am just writing in the sense, since from triangle OP minus q, okay, from this triangle we got this value. So you can copy up to here, after that we can continue our sum, okay. Hope you have copied till here. Now we are continuing from here itself. This is 2 kq by like r square plus a square. We can write this as whole power of 1. Why? Because nothing is here means whole power 1, and it will become like a by r square plus a square 1 by 2. Why 1 by 2? If I want to remove this square root means I need to write whole power 1 by 2. So what it will become? Now we are continuing from here like 2 kqa by r square plus a square whole power 1 plus 1 by 2. Why 1 plus 1 by 2? When the bases are the same, power should be added. So it will become 2 kq by a r square plus a 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2, isn't it? But we know that, what we know that nothing, sir, nothing, don't call nothing, we know everything. But here like p is equals to 2aq, isn't it? And r is very greater than a, so a can be neglected. So this value become kp. Why kp? In place of 2aq what we wrote like p by r square whole power 3 by 2. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So we remain like E is equals to kp by r cube. So this is the like intensity of electric field at a point on equatorial plane. As this is an vector quantity, we are just marking this as vector sign, isn't it? Or else we can say one more thing, it will be from this, okay, from this expression we can say like E is inversely proportional to the distance, or if you want you can write one more like value like E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, okay, p by r cube. Why? Because here, since if we want to remove the proportionality constant, we will get like this. So this is an expression you can go through with. So for that we can say that this equation, and here I need to do like r cube here. E is directly proportional to R cube. But when I want to put the bars like vector on E and also P, means it will be minus. Why it will be minus? The resultant electric field will be to the opposite to the electric dipole. How? You can see here, this is an electric dipole, whereas the electric field will be in this direction. So it will be opposite direction. So we need to put minus here if we want to write the final resultant equation in the vector form. So this is our today's session and today's class. We will going to continue physics, our inter second year is our next sessions. Okay, I am Syed Rashid here taking care like physics. You are watching our YouTube channel name as Ahle Baith High School and Junior College. Thank you.